Hello everyone! In today's video I'm gonna assemble the LEGO tiny plants from the Botanical Collection by LEGO. I did assemble a similar Botanical Collection item by LEGO, which was one of their bouquets. Let me briefly show you this bouquet. Here it is. It still looks gorgeous, especially in this light pink yellow vase. And the great thing is I don't have to buy cut flowers every week. I mean, I still do, but I have this one vase in my living room where I don't have to buy cut flowers for, so that's quite nice. And I think it just looks beautiful and fresh, and it's a nice pop of color. In this tiny plant set, we have 9 plants overall. They are made out of 758 pieces. There are some plants that I actually recognize. Let's take a closer look. So we have, 2 cacti. Then we have 2 carnivorous plants. This one is a Sarracenia. This one is a Venus flytrap. Then another one that I recognize is this one. This should probably be an anthurium or a flamingo flower. Not entirely sure about the other ones. Yes, cacti, but yeah, can't really recognize this one. And these 2 I don't really recognize either. And this is, yeah, some sort of succulent, it seems. Okay, I have my iced coffee here and I will start assembling and I will take you along with me. The first plant is finished. Number 2 complete. Number 3 completed. Let's take a look at the final result. So we have 3 groups of plants. So on the right hand side we have arid plants, then in the middle tropical plants, and on the left side carnivorous plants. The arid plants are apparently pincushion cactus, the eastern prickly pear, and Britain's live forever. And for the tropical plants, this is supposed to be a false shamrock, a jade plant, and a lace leaf. And then on the left-hand side, we have the Venus flytrap, red sundew, and the yellow pitcher plant. And I have to say, I'm a bigger fan of the larger plants, especially this pink cushion cactus looks very cute. And I also like the lace leaf. I'm not entirely convinced by some of the smaller plants, the false shamrock, for example. If you look at what it's supposed to look like in nature, here, I think it's a bit of a stretch, but otherwise, quite a cute collection. And the good thing is that I can place these cacti or the yellow pitcher plant somewhere in my flat where I don't have a lot of sunlight or natural light. So even plants that need more sun, I can decorate this area with these tiny plants from the Botanical Collection. I also wanted to give you an idea what the manual or the instructions look like. What I really enjoyed about it is that there is a little bit of information about these plants, for example, about the false shamrock, the lace leaf, and then even throughout the manual you have some small information about the plant. So that's quite cute. The entrance hall in my flat doesn't see a lot of natural sunlight, so I think I will place 4 of these tiny plants on my shelf right here, and I think it's gonna be beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.